Probo Medical is your quality source for affordable diagnostic ultrasound systems, probes, service, rental, and repair. We have the world's largest inventory of new and refurbished diagnostic ultrasound equipment. Our high-quality refurbishing process has been perfected over the last 25 years by the industry's most experienced team. Our ultrasound rental program features a multi-million-dollar inventory dedicated to rental equipment. We have nearly 8,000 probes in stock, and our probe repair facilities lead the market in 2D, 3D, 4D, and TEE probe repair. Our parts inventory features more than 11,000 parts in stock and ready to ship, tested, retested, guaranteed. Our nationwide team of multi-vendor service engineers provide on-site expert ultrasound repair and maintenance. Need training? We have you covered for both service and applications. Get on-site or virtual applications training on almost any make or model. And our ultrasound service classes provide hands-on training for the most popular ultrasound models. We are Probo Medical. Quality relationships, quality experience, quality products. Call or visit our website today.